Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu and Yul Edochie plan don't fail. Their evil plans have backfired them. All the evil they plan to make Edochie operation return back to sender. Back to sender. Now una come outside, they say, oh, what is happening? Yul Edochie, tell us what is happening. We can see the kind write-up you are writing. And somebody want to buy you and back to sender. You will not buy. Juju Ekwensu on the other side, she came out to say, oh, they attack her spiritually. And she know the which way they worry her more. They are disturbing her. They want to buy her. They are attacking her. They are attacking her children. You will not succeed. You will not do this. Hey! See people where they cry come aside. After their evil plans fade, after they are reaping what they sow, una they say una won't help. And so una go help people, carry people problem. Make una suffer they help us. Why una they help? Me I they laugh. Because that which they sow it, they shall reap it. Abio. They say he that dig a pit will fall into his own pit. Is this not the pit that they dig for me, Edochie? Me. Is it not the plant that they sow that they are reaping? So which one be waiting they worry them? Is it not what they invited that came to visit them? There is a parable that says, make we not because of our enemy, blind eye, and we not go see eye to look our friend. That is what is happening to them. All the evil they planned against me, Edochie, is what they are reaping today. Yul Edochie came out and said somebody want to buy him. They throw arrow back to sender. The arrow will not come to him. Nothing will happen to him. Juju Ekwensu on the other side, they see spiritual people where they pursue children. All these are the evil plans. They plan for me, Edochie. All these are the arrow when they dig at the very beginning. Because when these things come knocking, then when they dip their hands into evil and they do evil, when the evil now backfire, they will now start seeing witches and wizards in their family. They will now start seeing the old woman when he pass, now him na witch. That my auntie, na devil. This my cousin, na witch. They will start attacking people, forgetting that it is what they caused with their own hands. We all saw on this social media. I'm talking about the physical one. I'm talking about the physical one. What these people did. Imagine the spiritual one. These are all plans that they plan and it failed. This battle where they battle themselves, let them fight themselves. It is because what they wish did not come to pass. All their plans backfire. Juju Ekwensu that promised Yo that Yo will become the governor of Anambra State. Carry Yo go different altars, different shrine. They go, they bar, they raise it up, they bar down. They do all kind of havoc. Why Juju Ekwensu romance Mami Water, on the other hand, wanted to remove me Edochie enemy as far as to 6 feet. For her to become the jelly, where Yul Edochie they call her. She wanted to take over. She wanted to be, she did not come to snatch. She did not come to share. She came to take over, overtake her. If you hear at that time, Sarah Martins going to talk say overtaking is allowed. Now she did tell Sarah Martins me talker. Overtaking is allowed. If you can't keep the man, give it to somebody else. That was her motion. That was her motive. That's why she went as far to fight me Edochie, to remove me Edochie from the road. And because of that desperation, they went far. They put their hands into different things. Not be all altar person they go. Not be all shrine person they go. Not be all pastors person they visit. Not be all prophets person they visit. There are many that comes with consequences. Now, Juju Ekwensu promising Yul Edochie to be the governor of Anambra State. They even went as far as started calling themselves the Excellency. Yul Edochie will be calling Juju Ekwensu First Lady. The dreams never came true. The dreams of Yul Edochie becoming the governor of Anambra State never came to reality. The anger in Yul Edochie, after all the sacrifices, after time wasted, after the money spent on Juju na money na, after everything he did, yet his dream did not come true. Juju Ekwensu on the other side, angry, really, really angry, because he wanted to go into Ajamashon. Ajamashon no work. They did not even marry her. Yul Edochie promised her marriage, that the moment he run, before he will become the governor, he would divorce me Edochie then and marry Juju Ekwensu properly. Their marriage could shake. Juju Ekwensu went as far as buying gun when they wanted to cut marriage. Because the Juju, they shocked them. The charm, they shocked them. Everything they were doing then, it was working. Don't get it wrong. It was working. Because then they were able to come out. People, even with the evil, what Juju Ekwensu do, people were still coming out to say, fine, beautiful couple. A lot of people were coming out, they were posting them. Body, they shock them. All those things were charms. They were using charms. They were oppressing me, Edochie. Remember, God is a mysterious God. His battle is different. He said, nobody can understand me. When you think you've understand him, it will shock you. That's why his battle is very different. Even the devil cannot understand God. He has tried. He can't. They thought they were reigning. They were putting pepper on me Edochie eye for this social media. Juju Ekwensu go come with her full chest. After she don't destroy person home, she go dey sing aganaba nuga ingala ingagelegbedu agagala duda isigini hey agbagada dumba igbala igbangelegele agbagada dumba hesemele jofo. She will even come out and start advising women that cannot keep their husband on top of a man that is yet to divorce, because the powers they collected was shocking them, and the power was giving them confidence, because they told them that they have won the battle. Me Edochie was pushing. Any small thing she do, they will attack her. Any small thing she do, they will attack her. This woman went through hell. Me Edochie, I see her back. Aye. If me Edochie can tell her story, this woman, I saw her back. They were fighting her spiritually, fighting her children. Yul Edochie saw the whole battle, but he was blinded because of his greed, because he wanted to be a governor. Why Juju Ekwensu was fighting to send me Edochie enemy to 6 feet, and she wanted to be the only person on the spotlight. But they never knew that every evil gift is very short. Surprisingly, from both of them reigning to become nobody, all the things they sacrificed, they offered, everything they did, no one worked. Yul Edochie did not become the governor. Juju Ekwensu did not enter Ajamashon. All the juju they did, they were just reigning then, because juju na say they work. But what they went to ask for, they did not see it. But the sacrifice were paid, the dues were paid. Now they've surrendered their soul and their body to all this shrine, all these evil forces, when they evoke upon themselves, thinking that they want to attack me Edochie. Today, now hand on the middle, it don't backfire. Yul Edochie is angry because after all the promises, he did not see anything. Instead, he went from grace to grass. At least then, when Juju Ekwensu just come, Yul Edochie was still reigning. People were still talking about him. He was still Odogu small. Automatically, Yul Edochie, all Diego self, they not even give him that post. He's totally nothing. See Juju Ekwensu on the other hand, all our dreams of becoming what me Edochie is today, no one come true. But instead, backwardness. That is how God fights the battle. When they thought they were winning, they were reigning on this social media, mashing ground, posting video every day, peppering people, born Tadike, and so you use Tadike to pepper people for social media, carrying the obesity pepper people, born star, hey! I say now they born Adam and Eve. They not let us hear what. Two old papa and mama, where they don't born children, where they don't grow, don't reach to marry. They born universal thunder. They not let us hear what. Or to pepper me Edochie. They think they were reigning. But today it has backfired. Yul Edochie is angry. All he wanted, he never saw it. All Juju Ekwensu promised him, they not see. Juju Ekwensu on the other side, all her dreams, it faded. She did not see anyone, but did they pepper them. Now the evil altar and evil forces that they all acquire are fighting against them. Yul Edochie, they see things because he shook his hands into different evil things because of his greed. Now the evil forces are chasing him. He said, now people they pursue and they won't buy him. Oh God, nobody won't buy you. Oh God, nobody won't buy you. Juju Ekwensu on the other hand, they see people where be witch, where they warrior. Imagine somebody like Juju Ekwensu calling somebody witch. Hey, are we still safe? Now the thunder of God has replied for me, Edochie. The person they wanted to bring down, God has lifted her up. They both of them are now confused in their life. After all they did, they thought they have arrived. At the end of the day, nothing. Juju Ekwensu is still backward. Yul Edochie is still backwardness. And not only that they went backwardness, the spirits and the evil spirits they invoke, they chase them now. Now both of them are questioning each other. Juju Ekwensu say, yo, this is not what you promised me. Yo, say, Juju Ekwensu, this is not what you promised me. Two people, they fight on themselves, una won't help them. What you won't help them? There are battles you leave people to battle themselves. Now they know the altar where they go. Now they know the sacrifices where they do. The evil things they did behind me, Edochie, and her children. Their evil plans towards this woman, I backfire them. Waiting they pursue them now waiting they shook their hand boots. All because of who? Because of me, Edochie. Because me, Edochie was their target. Not just me, Edochie, even the children. Juju Ekwensu wanted to use her mother's style. Enter as clear everywhere. No obstacle. Just you and your children. But she met the wrong woman. She met a woman with grace. A woman that knows her true God. A woman that took a battle to somebody. A woman that took a battle to a God that is greater than all. And while they were reigning, God just folded his hands and was looking at them. They were mocking me, Edochie. Hey, don't abandon your children. You don't go London, go the hustle. You don't abandon your children. You don't go Enugu, go they do sales. This woman was struggling. This woman was struggling. Spiritual attack. What did they not do to me, Edochie? Me, Edochie is not what she is today. This woman was broken. Her marriage was broken. She lost her son. She was frustrated. Like, do you even imagine what me, Edochie, went through? And yet they were mocking her. They were laughing at her. Juju Ekwensu say, I cannot stay without my children. She talking for this social media. She said, I cannot stay without my children for 1 week. Oh. Hey, how can somebody just travel and leave the children? Then me, Edochie was hustling. Daniela's school fees was 5 million. Kai go school. Zane go school. Everything for this woman. Account, Yul Edochie misuse money. Everything gone. This woman have to start from square one. And they were mocking her. But today, uncle, see there now. One spirit don't they pursue Yul Edochie, we won't buy Yul Edochie. Did you ever see don't they see which way they warrior? Don't they see people where they pursue? And you people are asking questions. Tell us what is wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with them. That which they sow is what they are reaping. So nothing say these people will continue to live the way they are living. It's a village of Ezedike, you lie. Wait till they pursue them. If they fit tell una, una go fall down. You see, Pastor Chris' story are just the beginning. It's just a taste for what these two people do. You see, Pastor Chris' story. They learn work for waiting to do and you do. The kind evil plan they joined that together to plan against me, Edochie, is heartbreaking. They are reaping what they sow. Leave them there. Nobody they pursue them. Now they are evil. Now they pursue them. Now two of them are attacking each other. You said this is not what they promised him. Why Juju Ekwensu say this is not what Yul Edochie promised him? Yul Edochie say, I will marry you, I will put you in a Jamashan, I will make you a jelly. That's why he was already calling her a jelly, calling her first lady. Because that was their plan. Yul Edochie and Juju Ekwensu sat down and planned how to remove me Edochie. Pata pata. Two of them go the reign. And to do it, it's not just by mouth. They have to go different Juju shrine altars. We are making different kind of oaths and promises. The devil is so fast to take your oaths. Even if you not give the person waiting they find, go say you promise them. They will come. Now, what did they do? They worry them. Una they toss you, una they pity. Pity what? Let them reap what they sow. The way God lifted me, Edochie, at their very unexpected time, they saw this woman, God don't lift her up. And nobody can bring her down. If to say they can bring me, Edochie, down, therefore don't do them. They don't use physical, use spiritual, use diabolic, use everything. It's not working. It's not working. Now, two of them, they use head, they eat each other. This one dragging this one, the other one dragging this one. They started seeing evil spirits, evil shrine where they visit. The evil spirit don't come after them. Now they find who they worry them. They started dragging people for what they use their hand to cause for themselves. They've not started. Those of you that want to help them, let me tell you, they've not started. This is a tipsy, test. This is testy. You know when you go buy something for market, you say, let me test it whether it's sweet. This your garri, may I test them whether I bite for mouth. And so this is testy. They've not even started. Una don't they pity them. Let the hands of God visit them well. That time una go understand. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you, inshallah.